Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with XE Money Transfer. Review my usage experience. XE Money Transfer offers a way to send money internationally, primarily targeting individuals and businesses needing to transfer funds across borders. Key features include competitive exchange rates, various transfer options, and tracking capabilities. Their website provides details on the service, highlighting competitive exchange rates compared to banks and other money transfer services. They emphasize transparency with no hidden fees and a clear breakdown of costs. The platform uses secure technology to protect transactions. Availability is widespread, and you can typically check if they service your specific countries on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using XE Money Transfer. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I created an account online, providing the necessary identification and verification details. The interface was clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and select the sending and receiving currencies. For my first transfer, I sent a small amount of USD to a friend in the UK. I entered the recipient's bank details, the amount, and chose the preferred transfer speed. The process was clear, and I received regular updates via email about the transfer status. The money arrived within the estimated timeframe, which was impressive. I was really impressed by how quickly the transaction was processed and how easy it was to track the transfer's progress. The dashboard provided a clear history of my transactions, making it easy to reference past transfers. I also had a quick question about transfer limits, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and comprehensive answer. One minor drawback I noticed was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, although their website is mobile-friendly. It also took me a little while to get used to the different transfer options and understanding the impact on speed and cost. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with XE Money Transfer. While a dedicated app would enhance the experience, the service was reliable, transparent, and offered competitive exchange rates. That's my overview of XE Money Transfer. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.